Some unknown armed miscreants coming on a Maruti Gypsy fired some rounds of bullets at a team of KNF MC, including its self-styled commander, German Elias Thangjaral Hakib, when they were stationed at Molnom Endurance Library, Churachandpur yesterday at around 8 p.m. As per reports, one of the cadres of the KNF MC, namely Stonik, 28 years, of Tuibong, sustained bullet injury in the incident and he was hospitalized at District Hospital, Churachandpur. The cadres of the KNF MC allegedly retaliated to the miscreants. There was exchange of fire between the miscreants and the cadres of the KNF MC. The exchange of fire lasted a few minutes. The armed miscreants, after firing some rounds of bullets towards the cadres of the KNF MC, had left the place. Subsequently, security forces, including police and paramilitary personnel, were immediately deployed to the area to maintain peace.